Welcome to Copenhagen, Denmark. The building in front of you is called the Ressource Rose. Here, resources and circular economy have been at the heart of the design and construction. You can now learn more from Dieter Lusgaard-Vind.
So welcome to the Ressource Rose, made by Linear Group for NREP and AG Gruppen. It is resource houses made for families in Copenhagen. It's made with upcycled bricks, upcycled wood. The bridge we're standing on right now is actually direct reuse. And then we simply just added new, again, upcycled wood flooring, and we're able to use it directly here. The houses you see over there is reused as well. Both the wood and the windows have been reused again, and we really try in everything we do to reuse as many resources as possibly, quite simply because we see that more and more people are moving towards the cities. We have rapid urbanization. So we say, why not to bring the materials as well, so that we can indeed create new housing and cater to that demand, but without compromising on our climate, our resources, and our Mother Earth.
The Ressource Rose are the first residential houses and apartments in Denmark to be constructed using materials directly from other buildings. The project has 5 key efficiency focus areas: materials, energy, water, biodiversity, and quality of life. The focus on energy is especially important as buildings represent approximately 40% of the energy consumed globally. The checkered brick facade was created by cutting 1 meter square blocks from old industrial buildings and reusing them in this new construction. The bricks used here originate, among others, from the historic breweries of Carlsberg in Copenhagen, preserving the history and soul of the old buildings and passing them onto the Ressource Rose facade. Take a look at the floor here on the terrace. The wood has been upcycled, and it's part of the 300 tons of scrap wood left over from the construction of the Copenhagen Metro. It is also used on the facades, balcony floors, and the terraces. The flooring in the apartments is also made out of scrap wood. It is waste wood taken from a flooring factory. The Ressource Roads are very energy efficient. They are not only built according to our strict Danish building regulations, but they also go beyond these requirements and use 10% less energy than similar new buildings. The annual energy consumption is as low as 27 kilowatt-hour per square meter per year. The apartments are supplied with district heating from Copenhagen Heating Utility Company, which is one of the most efficient heating utilities in the world. The terrace houses are individually heated by air-to-water heat pumps located on the roof. There is one for each house. The efficiency of the heat pump is approximately 4.2, meaning that for every single kilowatt-hour electricity which is put into the heat pump, approximately 4.2 kilowatt hours comes out in the form of heat for heating and hot water. There's a central ventilation system located on the roof, ensuring fresh air for the apartments. The system is with heat recovery, with an efficiency of more than 85%. This means that 85% of the heat extracted from inside the apartment is used to heat the fresh air taken from outside the apartment. The heat extracted from the apartment is taken from the extractor hood in the kitchen and from the bathroom. You can see the extractor on the ceiling in the shower unit. Take a look above the doorway. This is where heated fresh air enters the apartment. Another important element in securing energy efficiency is the insulation in the building elements. There's a total of 340 millimeters of rockwool insulation material in the walls, floors, and roofs. The buildings are also very airtight. The airflow rate is below 0.7 litre per second per square meter. After the construction, this was tested using a blower door test. Let's look at the windows. They are also highly efficient. The triple glazed windows have a positive heat balance, which means that more heat from sunlight comes in than goes out. The buildings not only use 10% less energy than other similar new builds, but they also emit 30% less CO2. This has been achieved without compromising on price, quality, and aesthetics. The Ressource roads may be a small local project, but the principles can easily be scaled up to larger projects in a global context, highlighting how sustainable solutions can fulfill ambitious climate targets.
So what we really hope is that many more will join forces with us in really enabling the built environment to become more sustainable itself.
The Ressource roads provide us with a peek into how the sustainable buildings of the future will look. We are constantly learning how we can work in a more focused way with sustainability and try new methods of working. Hopefully Denmark can be an inspiration to other countries in this area. We will leave you here to enjoy the view of the Ressource roads from above. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.